Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create an Amazon KDP account because I see that many of you are finding it difficult to create an account. See guys, this video is what you want to watch because I'm going to show you every single information you need to know about how to create Amazon KDP account. To bypass phone number verification on your phone, use Mrs. Browser and VPN. Watch what I'm about to show you in this video and follow the process to get your account fully set up. Before we proceed, make sure you follow this channel, like and comment in this post. Thank you. So once it brings you here, this is your Amazon Kindle homepage. So you click on join KDP. So yeah, once you click on join, now it will bring you to your create account. So you fill up your email address too. You fill up your email address and you put your 6-digit password. You put your 6-digit password and click on create. So once you click on create, it will bring you down to this page, and make sure your internet is very strong for safety reasons, because if your internet is not that strong, it will really affect what you are doing. So once you've gotten your email address code, you put it in there. Once you sign up, you will see your terms and conditions. Make sure you read it before you agree to it. So once you have complete your account sign up, then the page it will bring you to this the next page. So what you do here now is that you will open a new tab that's in the same browser. Open a new tab and type amazon.com to create your authenticator. So you won't choose phone number to continue. This step is to bypass phone number and not to use phone number when you want to continue your account setup. So you come to your account, click on account at this top right hand side. Then when you click on account, you will see login and security. So click on login and security. Now once you click on login and security, you can scroll down. Then you will see authenticator, two-step verification. Click on turn on. Then it will show you this: enroll a authenticator, that's 2SV authenticator. So it's either you use phone number or you use authenticator, but in this aspect I use authenticator app. Click on authenticator app below. So in this place you will scan this barcode in order to continue and set up your OTP. As we continue, make sure you subscribe, like and comment. So we pick up our phone. What we want to do here actually is to make sure we scan this barcode. So once we scan the barcode, we will input the 6-digit number into the box and then click on verify OTP code. So once we are done and we click on verify OTP code, we will move to the next one and turn on authenticator. So this is where it brought us to. It brought us, after putting the authenticator code, it brought us here. So what we do is, don't click this box. Leave this box blank. Don't click it. Just click on go to turn on authenticator. Click on it, so it has turned on your authenticator automatically. So the next place you have to go to is your amazon.com. That's your KDP account, is the next place you will come to. Refresh the browser. So once you refresh the browser, you go back to your authenticator app and put in the code on your authenticator app. That's 115591 and click on sign in. So once you click on sign in, so you can see it. Once you click on sign in, it will bring you to your dashboard. That's your identity page. So you have to fill up your identity exactly the way you wrote your name. Country, we are creating a Spanish aspect, this address aspect, because we are creating a Spain account. So what we do here is that we click on another browser and search for random Spain address. So when you search for random Spain address, you click on it, so it can take you down to your Google. This random address in Spain. So this is the home page for random Spain address. Then you can choose any address to work on. So let's choose this one. Avada. So let's choose this one, Avada. Then go back there, copy the city, the riot, copy it. Then go back to you can cancel this one. Then go back to and paste it to the city. Then copy the state, which is Malaga. Copy it, go back and paste it in your state. So once you have filled it up like this, get your phone number, copy it, and then paste it. So once you paste it, you click on save and continue. But you have not put postal code, you copy your postal code. Copy your postal code. So once you copy your postal code, you go back and paste it there, and then you click on save and continue. Check your informations, save and continue. Then once you click on your save and continue, you wait for it to load. Once it load finish, you then move to your bank details. That's your bank informations. So you click on United States because we are using a fake bank details in this account. We are not using our real bank details. The reason why we are using a fake bank details is so later on you can change it before your payment date, because within that 3 months anything can happen and you can't predict Amazon if your account is terminated. So you can use another fake bank details till your payment day before you can now change to your real bank account. So you go to online and search for ibn.com, that's fake IBN, or click on the second one, which is random IBN calculator. So once you click on it, it will bring you here. So you can choose a country. In this case, we are choosing United Kingdom. We are choosing UK. So this UK IBN, you can click on generate if you don't. So it will generate you an IBN. So you can just copy it. Mind you, this is a fake IBN. This fake IBN. So you come here, you choose United Kingdom. The IBN part, you drop it there. Then to get your VIC code, you will do the same thing. You will come here and type VIC, that's VIC Swift. So it will give you options. So you can also come here and choose any bank of your choice. So you choose it. So this how you generate the Swift code for you. And then you go back to your this thing, you put it here. Yeah, you put your date of birth. You put your year, that's the year they born you and the month in which you were born. And then you put your name. So once you put your name, you select your address. Yeah, so once you put your address, your BIC code, and your BIN, you then click on add account. So it will help you add it. So your account has been added. So once you add your account, you can click on complete tax information, save and continue. So in this place, are you a US citizen? You click no, because I am about to create a Spain account. So the account I'm creating here is Spain account. So are you acting as an intermediary? No. So country, we are choosing Spain. Then you will scroll down and confirm the address. So you can't finish it to go do it is right now. It's okay. Then your identification number, you will come to your browser and search for random no search for average. Yes, average average generator. So once you search for average generator, it will bring you here. This is where you will see your tax number for any country of your choice. So you will click on Spain. So once you click on Spain, it will show you this. Then you can click on a national identification number, or what's it in the answers. I'll cancel this one. So once you click on it, you will generate and copy it. Once you copy it, you will come here and paste it. So it said invalid. Let's find them down. Let's find them down. So this one worked. Then you will click on continue. So you can see that there is no tax paying. So you can see that we have filled up our personal information just like this. So now you will click and continue. That's save and continue. So once you save it, it will bring you here. Then you will scroll down. This is your name, your country, this is the place, thing and everything. So the same name you have here is the same name you put here. Same name you have here is the same name you put here. So once you put the same name there, I'll make this one capital letter. So once you put the same name there, you click on submit. So once you click on submit, you can see that there's no treaty benefits. Then you click on exist. Then let's hope for the best, because this the important aspects of it. So you can see that there's no verification. We have successfully created our Spain account. So it says United States application withholding rate successful. That's 0%. So no verification in creating this Spain account. If you follow this process and these steps, you can get your Spanish account set up just like this. So once you are done, you click on save. It will help you save it. So once it helps you save it, you click on bookshelf. Once you click on bookshelf, it will bring you to your home page. So congratulations, we have set up our account, and this is Spain account. You can use your phone also. No verification was asked. You can use this strategy to create 2 or more accounts. If you enjoy watching this video, make sure you subscribe and turn on post notification for more of my videos to come.